Fruit burning is a familiar phenomenon for all of us. Who has never seen an apple slice turn brown after a while? This process, scientifically known as enzymatic burning, occurs due to the activity of the enzyme polyphenol oxidase (PPO). The PPO enzyme catalyzes the oxidation of phenolic compound into quinones, which then polymerize to form brown pigments. In this video, I combine a theoretical understanding of reaction kinetics with practical applications in food preservation. I use three common types of fruit: apples, bananas, and pears, to study the rate of browning and how natural antioxidants can affect. I observe and measure the color change of the fruit using a brightness scale, which allowed me to analyze the kinetic of the browning reaction. In this video, I use simple laboratory equipment. The main tools I use are 4 pieces of glass beaker and a 100 ml measuring cup. A beaker serves as a container for soaking pieces of fruit in an antioxidant solution, while a measuring cup is used to measure the volume of the solution precisely. For ingredients, I choose 3 types of fruit that are commonly found in everyday life: apples, bananas, and pears. These fruits are chosen because of their tendency to brown quickly after being peeled or cut. As a natural source of antioxidant, I use 3 types of extract that are easy to find in household kitchen: turmeric extract, cinnamon, and garlic. Each of these extracts is known to have powerful antioxidant properties and has been used in traditional food preservation for centuries. Next, the apple was cut into small slices. Then I weighed the pieces of apple and found that the weight of the apple was about 5 grams. So, did the treatment I did with pears and bananas. Then prepare a beaker containing turmeric extract. Then put the fruit that has been cut earlier. The same treatment is carried out with cinnamon extract and garlic extract. Then, the fruit is soaked in an antioxidant solution for 2 minutes. This time was chosen to allow the antioxidant solution to seep into the fruit. I also use water as a control, which will help comfort the effectiveness of antioxidants. After soaking, the fruit is removed and left for 1 hour. During this time, we will observe the browning process and measure the brightness of the fruit at certain times intervals. After an hour, I identified the brightness using a smartphone app of each fruit soaked in water, because the color of the fruit changed significantly, and the results will follow. In this experiment, we used the brightness of the fruit to analyze the kinetic of the browning reaction. It may sound strange, but it's actually a valid method. The brightness of the fruit is inversely proportional to the degree of browning. The browner the fruit, the lower its brightness. We assume that the change in brightness is proportional to the concentration of the browning reaction product. After getting the brightness value, we can make a graph from the zero order and first order. In a zero order reaction, the reaction rate does not depend on the concentration of reactants. If browning follows the order of 0, we will see a constant decrease in brightness with time. The graph will be a straight line if we plot the brightness relative to time. In a first order reaction,
The reaction rate is proportional to the concentration of one of the reactants. For first-order burning, we will see a faster decrease in brightness at the beginning and then slow down. The graph will be a straight line if we plot ln L0/L against time, where L0 is the initial brightness and L is the brightness at a given time.
Based on the analysis of the graph, we can conclude that the browning reaction of apples in weather is more likely to follow the kinetic of the first order. This is indicated by better linearity on the ln L0/L graph against time, with a higher R-square value. This means that the browning rate is proportional to the concentration of the remaining substrate, which is consistent with the theory of enzymatic reaction in the early stage. From the results of the experiments, it can be seen that turmeric extract is the most effective antioxidant in preventing browning of the fruit after 1 hour. Fruit soaked in turmeric extract remain bright and fresh, compared to cinnamon and garlic extract which show moderate yields, as well as weather controls that underwent significant browning. It relates to the basic principles of physical chemistry, specifically the kinetic of reactions. In the case of fruit burning, this reaction follows first-order kinetics, where the rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of the remaining substrate. Experiments show that natural antioxidant can slow down the browning rate, prolonging the freshness of fruits in daily life.